What's up, guys? Welcome to another Angler X video. I've been doing the YouTube thing for about 2.5 years now and really enjoying it. It's been a real challenge. Not only is it a challenge to go out and catch enough fish to make a video every week, but you also have those challenges of recording and all the factors that come into that. So every time you go out, you got to make sure your recording conditions are just right for good recording, good video. Today we have wind problems. We got wind to deal with, so there's going to be wind noise in the microphone. I got snow falling. I got to make sure my lens is clear and that the snow isn't clouding up the view for the viewers. Make sure when I do get that fish that shot is nice and clear. I got to make sure the lighting is right. If I got sun going right into the lens, all you're going to see is darkness and you're not going to be able to make out any detail in the fish or in what I'm catching. But just missed a fish. But all those challenges come into play, like hooking fish. But all that said, the video you're about to watch, I'm out in a snowstorm. I go out early in the morning and I'm in my shack because it's windy. And it's dark and the lighting isn't great, so I apologize for the poor lighting in this video, but I think there's some value in it. I do catch a few fish and show you some techniques, so watch the video. I hope you like it. Check it out and let me know what you think. In the meantime, I gotta try and figure out why I missed that fish. That looked like a good one. Who needs Planet Fitness, Snap Fitness, all those places? This is how I get my exercise. And I love it. Alright, first fish of the day. We're out early in the morning, out in a snowstorm today. Looking for panfish. We're in about 15 feet of water. Fish are suspended. I'm huddled into the shack. I don't know if you can see much right now. It's pretty dark yet. But just got our first fish, crappie. Got him on a purist, pink purist. We'll be trying that purist for a while, see if we can put a few more on the ice. But we're gonna settle in and pound on some panfish. Hopefully we have a great day. It's a good start. There we go. Another crappie. Alright. Crappie's moving around. I'm a little bit slow so far, but they seem to be biting when they come in, so that's a good sign. Snow is really coming down now. Oh, this one. It's piling up. We're supposed to get like 7 to 11 inches of snow. I pulled my sled out here when there wasn't as much snow early in the morning, but I'm going to be paying for it on the way back, I can tell you that much. I like to fish in the snowstorms because, for two reasons. Well, one, not a lot of people come out and you don't get all that commotion on the ice. The fish tend to not get as stressed out. And two, the bite is typically really good while the snow is falling. Now once it stops falling, I expect the bite to not be as good, so I want to take advantage of it here while I can. And so far they seem to be snapping pretty good. Fishing a little bit higher up in the water column, trying to pick off those crappies. Still using that pink purist. I think I could probably get some bluegills if I switch over to a waxworm, but right now I'm just interested in the crappies. But just using this purist because it's fun to fish with and the fish like it. You can take a look at what it looks like outside right now. Coming down pretty good. I'm just gonna stay in here and stay warm. Got him. Crappie. bluegill. Bluegill ate the purest, and he choked it. Not even that big. So I have been using this pink purist. I've been putting smelly jelly. That's what the green stuff is. It's just a fish attractant that I use. But when I fish this, I tie the knot directly to the eye of the lure, and then I like to pull the knot tight perpendicular to the lure so it sits horizontally in the water, and then I fish it downward, and it kind of wobbles as you lower it down to the fish. Another way to use this is to use a small micro snap or a loop knot, and it has a little bit different action that way, but it won't hang horizontal when you use a loop knot or a snap, and it does change the action, but both ways can work. I'm going to take a break from this and go to a waxworm. So I'm going to try a little, it's like a teardrop type jig. It's just a black and silver, and I'm just going to hook one waxworm on there. And this I'm going to try and fish that vertically. There we go. That's gotta be a crappie. That thing charged a nice fish. Oh, you can tell when they're crappies. Man, they come up fast. There we go, nice fish. Hit that teardrop. It's my first fish on that teardrop. I was just thinking, why aren't they hitting this thing? But they are, so nice fish. We'll let that guy go. Man, that snow is really coming down. I'm not looking forward to that walk back. Hopefully we catch a bunch of fish here and make it all worth it. Here's a big one coming up for it right now. Oh my goodness, did he crush it? Oh, he almost pulled the rod out of my hand. What the heck was that? Would have liked to have seen what that was. That was a big mark. Came right up and boom, missed him. Here comes one really fast. Got him. That's a crappie. Oh, bluegill. There's my first bluegill. And he charged it and hit just like a crappie. Oh, bluegill. Oh, coffee's good. Switch over to a tungsten jig. I use tungsten jigs a lot with my waxworms and my plastics. The tungsten jig I prefer to use, well, the one I like anyway, is this VMC tubby jig. This one's a 32nd ounce, but I like them because they have a large hook gap and the hook is fairly light. But it's a super sharp hook, nice small sized jig head, and I've had really good luck with that jig. Don't worry about that little guy. We haven't gotten any real good bluegills yet. Getting later in the season, the bigger ones are starting to get picked over a little bit, but there's plenty of fish down there. We'll keep pounding on them, see if we can get some decent ones here. Here we go. Feels like a better bluegill. Ooh, it's tugger. The transducer. There we go. That's a better bluegill. Alright. Very nice. Best bluegill of the day. That was fun. More like that one. Not keeping fish today, so we'll let that guy go. That one came on that 32nd ounce VMC tubby jig. Just pounded it. Just have that wax worm hooked once behind the head. And he liked it. We're going to get down there and see if we can get a couple more like that. There we go. This feels better. It's not too bad. Bluegill City. Things have really slowed down here. It's about 10 o'clock. That's kind of the typical time when things get slow. Trying to decide if I'm going to make a move or stick it out here, but I'm leaning towards sticking it out just because of the weather, but getting a little antsy here, but still catching a few fish. We'll let this guy go and keep on fishing. Boom! Wow, it's been a while since I've caught a fish. This feels like a decent one. There we go. Alright, nice bluegill. Really nice fish. Guys, it's been really slow, but I'm getting a few fish. I don't know if I'm going to fish too much longer, but that's probably my last fish of the day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.